प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर विवेक गुप्ता, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, दिल्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल से। आज तारीख है 20 अगस्त। एक पेशेंट है जिनको राइट कॉर्नरी आर्टरी में 99% स्टेनोसिस। दिस पेशेंट हैज एन acute inferior wall MI which stabilized. By the time the patient reached to our hospital, the inferior wall MI changes had settled, but troponin was found to be elevated. Echo showed hypokinesia in the inferior territory with normal preserved LV functions. We have done an angiography and you can see the angiographic shots. This is angiographic shot. You can see so this is actually first angiography is done. Left and main coronary artery is normal. Left circumflex artery does not have any blockage. There is a mild stenosis, moderate stenosis in the mid LED. Mild to moderate blockage left antidescending artery में mid में अगर हम देखते हैं थोड़ा सा ये दिस माइल्ड स्टेनोसिस मतलब ब्लॉकेज। और उसके बाद हमने राइट कॉर्नरी आर्टरी फाइंड, तो राइट कॉर्नरी आर्टरी में वी हैव फाउंड ए सिग्निफिकेंट ब्लॉकेज। आई विल शो यू। दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्यू। दिस इज़ द राइट स्टेनोसिस, राइट कॉर्नरी आर्टरी एंड यू कैन इट्स टोटली थिन्ड आउट, बिल्कुल पतली हो गई है। दिस इज़ एक्चुअली 99% ब्लॉकेज इन द डिस्टल सेगमेंट, which is actually supplying a large PDA and posterior left PLV branch. So we discussed with the family and we thought we have to do angioplasty of this. There is no second. ये the renal angiogram है. This is the guide wire which has gone. Guide wire which is done precisely inside the PDA branch. If you see it very well, then you can see now there is a balloon. We have done pre-dilatation with the help of balloon. There were approaches because this stenosis is actually, if you see the stenosis has got some degree of bifurcation, but it is actually finishing off just before the bifurcation. So few people will put another wire into the PLV, but I would not like to do this. And we have done a quick stenting. And you can see a stent is placed very well after balloon dilatation. और balloon के बाद हमने stent लगाया. This is the balloon stent. Now stent I have placed the stent, very important to tell you, just before the bifurcation. This is actual placement of the stent, and this is very important because here you don't want to actually disturb the PLV branch, and this is a perfect position. And we have done a stenting here, deployed very well and fully normal artery. So this is a very perfect view done, and you can see the full